Hi, hello, Dr. Stock viewers. Welcome you all to my Nifty weekly review. So here we're going to see about Nifty and Bank Nifty as well. So it is going to be the Nifty review for the week starting 17th to 21st. So we will straightly go on to the key technical points. Moving on with the Nifty daily time frame at this moment. So currently there is a reversal from 100% which is happening in the market. So we closed very close to 11178 levels. There is a small triangle pattern which formed on the daily candle. So there is a break out for the same on the downside. So means that it is going to attract 140 points correction from here. So that is from 11240 levels. So almost close to 11140 levels is what the main place where we can get the bounce. So at max from here, we are going to continue in the downtrend if we are going to close below 11040 levels. So when we are that point will be acting as an important support at this moment. Reason being, this triangular breakout is getting completed at that point. So what is the current FIBI saying is, as per the FIBI, if there is any rejection in the retracement, it will move back to its previous levels. That is 10,800 levels is visible on the daily candles at this moment. So moving on with the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, again we are facing a rejection for 78.6 levels. Reason being, 11379 is the level of 78.6. So there is a rejection as we are close below 11178. So we are heading very closely to 10,500 levels on the weekly time frame. Moving on with the monthly time frame. Monthly time frame, again we are still 15 more days to complete this month. So it is slightly looking bullish at this moment with 200 points needed to close above 379. So at least we have some 10 trading days to get completed. So we need to wait and check the values here. So the next point of reversal here again 10,550 on monthly as well. Moving on with the shortest time frame, which will help for tomorrow's trading in a very clear way. So it is saying very clearly that 1111, that is complete 11111, 11,111 is playing as an important support level at this point of time. So we have closed very close about to 11,073, but still the bull momentum will be happening on the Nifty only above 11210 levels. So still then we have to be very careful, and there might be any reversal possible also. Now let's move on to quickly to the option chain as well as to the FII data. Along with it, we'll go for PCR. So moving on with the open interest data. So as of now, 11,000 is having the highest open interest on the put side. So that acts as an important support at this moment. And 11,300, which is having the highest open interest on the call side, which is acting as an important resistance at this moment. So we can expect market to bounce back only above 11,300 levels. The next highest falls on 11,500. So this is the place where the support and resistance as per open interest is there. Going on with the FI data. So FI are sitting net to net 3,700 crores on a buy side. So this is the data we have for FI. So it is comparatively a very less data when compared with the last month on the FI data. So almost we are covering close to 10 trading days plus, but still the FII counter is having only a very less value of 3732 crore by net. So that is something like a data which is indicating that there would be some fall in the market in coming days. So current PCR data is 1.04, which is slightly indicating that we are into the neutral market. So it will be helping both buy and sell side at this moment. Thanks. We will continue now with the Bank Nifty, my dear friends. So now moving on with the Bank Nifty analysis. Okay, it is the daily time frame for Bank Nifty. So currently, Bank Nifty is clearly indicating that there is another 1,000 points correction is coming in place. Reason being, this triangle which I formed in the daily candle is going to get broke. I mean, it is in the verge of breakout. So this point, current close, is acting as an important support at this moment. So when there is any close below 21,600 levels, we can easily move towards 20,000 levels. That is what it is showing. It is a continuous rejection of 38.2 for almost close to complete we can say that it is from 23rd June, almost close to 1 month level values. Not 1 month, it is above that. July is there, right? It is above that. It is like close to 45 days. There is a continuous rejection is getting faced. Earlier we had a different triangle from here. Now it is formed very small, and again it came to the downward level. So that means that there is a very clear indication of some downfall is possible till this point. That is 21,006 levels. And if there is any break below that levels, we will hit very close to 20,000 levels. That is what the BNF is clearly showing on the daily candle at this moment. I mean daily candles as of now. So any correction here on the long side, we have need to close about 22,400 levels continuously. That will move towards the long side on the BNF. So when we check the trend, right, comparing with Nifty and Bank Nifty is giving a very clear signal starting very many days, because 50% rejection is there in Bank Nifty for a very long time, and it is not sustaining and it is not going down because we are having sideways movement at this moment, sideways market movements as of now. So moving on with very clearly, the daily is saying there is a bearish movement to be continued for another 1,000 points down in Bank Nifty. Moving on with the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, again there is a rejection of 38.2. That is 22,430 is playing as an important support at this point, and we are clearing well below this at this moment. So it is like we are closing very below that value, that is 21,679. So this is happening continuously for almost close to 3 weeks in a row at this moment. For out of 5 weeks, we are close below this for out of 4 weeks. Moving on with the monthly time frame, we have some more days, like 15 days more in this month. So where we have to cross about 22,400 levels to sustain the bull momentum. So from this, we need to wait and check. Moving on with the very nearest shortest time frame, that is the 15 minutes time frame. So in 15 minutes time frame also, it is very clear indication that there is some continuation of bear. Reason being, we are closing very close to the 23.6 levels. So anything above 38.2 levels would be considered as a bull momentum and bull in place again. If we are continuously closing below 21,680 levels, so we can clearly move towards 21,456 and below that one. So that is what 15 minutes candle is also saying at this moment. Thanks friends, thanks for watching this video. We'll catch you all shortly with yet another video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, stay in one home for some more days. Thanks, bye-bye.